Good day everyone, I am Deck Cadet Gonzalez Romel Jr. And for today's video, I am going to show you on how to calculate a great circle sailing. So let's start. So here is the problem. Find the great circle distance, initial and final course from 10 degrees 25 minutes south, 90 degrees 12 minutes east to 39 degrees 27 north, 55 degrees 10 minutes east, and find also the position of the vertex and the longitude in which the JC track courses equator and the course. So the first thing to do is to find the lat A and lat B. So since I've already wrote this, so here is our lat A and lat B. So the second step also, since I already wrote it, so here is our GC track. So the next thing to do is we can tell that the equator of this from point A to point B will cross the equator, since we are referencing the North Pole. So the equator will be located here. So we will hit our our ruler. So our equator is located here. Then label it. So equator. So the next step is to find our D long. So in order to find our D long, we need to subtract the long A and the long B. So here, subtract this in order to find the D long or RP. D long. So get the calculator. So 90 degrees 12 minutes subtracted by 55 degrees 10 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of 35 degrees 5 degrees 2 minutes 2 minutes. So this is now our D long and RP also, and RP also. So here the next step is to find the distance. So in order to find the distance, we will use the cosine formula. Since I have wrote it, so here our formula is cos B is equals to cos P times cos lat A times cos lat B plus and minus sin lat A times sin lat B. So the next is to substitute the values. So cos AB cos P RP is 35 degrees 2 minutes times cos lat A, our lat A is 10 degrees 25 minutes times cos lat B. Our cos lat B is 39 degrees 27 minutes. Then minus. So why minus? It's because the our what is this? Our latitude are in different direction. So we'll minus it because it is in different direction. So minus sine lat A 10 degrees 25 minutes times sine lat B 39 degrees 27 minutes. So get your calculator. So here cos 35 degrees 02 minutes times 10 degrees 25 minutes cos 10 degrees 25 minutes times cos 39 degrees 27 minutes. So then minus sine 10 degrees 25 minutes, then sine 39 degrees 27 minutes. So after this, we're going to shift inverse tangent this. I'll shift cos. So since we are using the cosine formula, so shift cos answer, press the answer, close parenthesis, then degrees. So here we will come up to the answer of 39 so 59 degrees 59 degrees and 32 minutes. Here is our AB. In order to find the distance, we will going to multiply it by 60. So our distance here. So in order to find the distance, get our calculator. 59 degrees 32 minutes times 60 will come up to the answer of 37 come up to the answer of 3572 and we'll run up to the nearest 3 miles. So here's our distance. So to proceed, the next step is to find its initial course. So we put initial course here, and with the formula A is equals to tan lat A over tan B. Is equals, so substitute tan, our lat A is 10 degrees 25 minutes over tan P is equals to 35 degrees 02 minutes. So get our calculator. Tan 10 degrees 25 minutes over tan 35 degrees 2 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of 0.2626262188377. Is our A. Is our A. And the B, so is the formula of tan lat B. Tan lat B over sin P. So substitute the values. So our tan lat B, so our lat B is 39. Tan 39 degrees 27 minutes over sin 35 degrees sin P 35 degrees 02 minutes. So get our calculator again. So tan 39 degrees 27 minutes over sin 35 degrees 2 minutes. So we will come up to the answer of 1.4133442 So here is our B. So in order to find the C, since we will add this since the direction is the same, north to north, so we're going to add. So get our calculator. 0.26221888377 plus 1.433442403 equals, so we'll come up to the answer of 16. Add this to find the C. So our answer is 1.695661241. So here is our C. So to continue, we use this formula in order to find its initial course. So we use this formula. Tan AZ is equals to 1 over C times cos lat A. So substitute 1 over RC is 169.69566141 times cos lot A, or lot A is 10 degrees 25 minutes. So get our calculator. 1 over 1.69 566.1241 is times cos 10 degrees 25 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of this. Then we're going to inverse tangent this in order to find its true course. So shift tan answer wasn't open. So then press this. So we'll come up to the answer in degrees. Come up to the answer of 30 degrees 56.87 minutes west. So this is north west. So in order to find the true course, this answer will be subtracted by 360. So why is it is subtracted by 60? It's because here, the direction of this is in the fourth quadrant, which is the northwest. So here, northwest. So we will subtract it by 360. So 360 minus 30 degrees 56.87 minutes west. So get our calculator again. So 360 minus 30 degrees 56.87 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of 329.03. So here is our initial course. So the next thing to do is to find the final course. So we're gonna use this formula since I have wrote it. This formula, tan lot B over tan P. Then substitute it to the values since I have wrote it also. So here, next thing to do is to compute RA, the answer of RA. So tan 39 degrees 27 minutes over tan 39 degrees 35 degrees 5 degrees 2 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of 1,737,28748. Here is our A. To find the B, we use a formula of tan lot A over sine p. So substitute the value. So tan tan 10 degrees 25 minutes over sine 35 degrees 02 minutes. So compute RB, get our calculator. So tan 10 degrees 25 minutes over 35 degrees 2 minutes sine 35 degrees 2 minutes. So here we'll come up to the answer of 0.3202406.025. So here is our B. To find the C, since I forgot the direction, this is south. So to find the C, in order to find the C, we're going to add them since they have both the same direction, which is south. So 1 plus B. So substitute 1.17372878 plus 0.3202406025. So get our calculator. Since we already computed the B, we're going to add it by RA. So plus 1.173728748. So we will come up to the answer of 1.49396935. So here is our C. To continue, we will use again this formula in order, since I have rooted it and substituted the value, we're going to compute it. So 1 over 1.4939396938 times cos 39.27 minutes. Then shift tan the answer and convert this to degrees. So we'll come up to the answer of our AZ is south 40 degrees 55 minutes east. Then this, we're going to substitute it by 180 since our direction is in the second quadrant, which is southeast. So we will substitute it by 180. So this 180 minus value of our easy 40 degrees 55 minutes is equal to 139 degrees 48 minutes true. So here is our final course. So therefore, as we computed the initial and final, so we're going to put it here. So therefore, final course, initial course 30 56.87 west or 329 degrees 03 minutes true. And our final course is south 40 degrees 53 minutes east or 139 degrees 48 minutes true. So next is to get our vertex. So in order to get your vertex, you will apply Napier's rule. So this is the formula of Napier getting our vertex. So IN angle of PAV, Napier's rule. So next thing to do is to draw the circle of vertex. So circle, draw X, one line here, and here, sorry. So this is our P, this is our AV, this is our 90 minus A, 90 minus PA, then this 90 minus P. So after this, we're going to put the given so that we in order to get our vertex, lat V and long V. So our A is 30 degrees 56.87 minutes. Then our PA 90 degrees. In order to get the PA, we need to solve this because our PA is 90 minus the lat A. So our lat A in the given, our lat A is, we will subtract it by 10 degrees 25 minutes. So 90 minus 10 degrees 25 minutes. So get our calculator. 10 degrees 25 minutes minus 90. So we'll come up to the answer of 79 degrees 35 minutes. So now here is our PA. So our lot A is 10 degrees 35 minutes. So sorry because di na masigo siya. So di na kasya. So get another paper. So to continue, we need to use this formula in order to get our lot V and to get our PV to get the long V. So this is the formula. Sine PV is equals to cos 90 minus A times cos 90 minus PA sin times sine 90 PA is equals to tan 90 minus A times tan 90 minus P. PA. Okay, PA. So simplify. So cos lot V is equals to sin A times cos lot A, and substitute the values. So cos lot V equal to sin R what is R A? RA is 30 degrees 56.87 minutes is multiplied by cos 10 degrees 25 minutes. So our lot V is, get our calculator. So our lot V is sine 30 degrees 56.87 minutes is multiplied by cos 10 degrees 25 minutes. So we'll come to the answer and then shift to degrees, then shift tan answer degrees. So here we'll come up to the answer of 59 here, 59 degrees 37 north. So now here is our lot V. So next is to get the P. So simplify again. Tan P is equals to cotangent A times secant PA. So So in this case, we need to inverse this. So the inverse of cotangent is tan. Tan. Tan A. Tan A. And the inverse of secant is cos PA over 1. So tan P, substitute the values of this. So our tan over A is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. 30 degrees. 56.87 minutes times cos, or PA is 79 degrees 35 minutes. So get our calculator again. Get our calculator in order to get RP. P. So 1 over tan 30 degrees 56.87 minutes times cos 79 degrees 35 minutes. So we'll come to the answer of this and shift tan, the answer, convert it to degrees. So we will come up to the answer of 83, I think 83 degrees 48.74 minutes west. So here is our P now. So after computing the lat V and lat A, next thing to do is to find our D long. Long V. Long V. So in order to get long V, D long from A to V is 83 degrees 48.74 degrees west, and R and the RA is, where is R given? Our long A is 90 degrees 12 minutes. So it is subtracted since, wait, I will show you why we subtract this. 90 degrees 12.00 minutes east. Why we subtract this? Because since they don't have the same sign or direction, this is east and west, so we'll subtract it. So our long V right now, long V is, get our calculator again, 83 degrees 48.74 minutes is subtracted by 0.90 degrees 12.00 minutes is equals to, so the answer is 23, no, 0.06 degrees 23 23.26 minutes west. So here, this is our long V. And after this, after solving the lat A, or lat V, or the long V, I mean, our lat V, RP, and our long V, next thing to do is we will identify when GC track crosses the equator. So when GC track crosses our equator, we know that longitude in GC cross equator is equals to 90 degrees d long from the longitude to the vertex. So here, so in order to solve this, we will, so here, so our long V is 005. So our long V is, here is 005 degrees, 59.30 minutes west, and our D long from AV to N is subtracted by our 0.5 is subtracted by 90 degrees east. So here 0 degrees east, subtract it. We need to subtract them because they don't have the same sign or direction. So get our calculator again. So 005 degrees 59.30 minutes is subtracted by 90 degrees, the 0.00 degrees minutes. So we'll get the value of, then wait, let's check. So 90 degrees minus 0.5 0.59.30 minutes is equals to, wait 005 degrees 59.30 minutes is subtracted by 90 degrees 0.00 minutes. So we'll come up to the answer of 83. Wait, answer 83 degrees 36.44 minutes east. So in here, after this, the course after crossing the equator of collat of vertex vertex is Rn north 30 degrees 23 is west. So there is our the cross after crossing the equator. So after this, we will jot down here in our in our in our sa ating ang tawag nito, kalimutan ko, on our GC track. So our D long is here. Here's our D long. And then our V or our vertices, it since our lot A is smaller than our lot B, so our vertices or vertex is located after the B. So here, let's put it here. So here, extend your GC track, then here, so is our V. So label it is our V. So label it, so label it 59 degrees 37 north and 6 degrees 23.26 minutes west. So our N, we will put it here in the equator and up till here. So here, so let's put it N. So now we are able to solve. We are done already with this. We're going to check. So first, in getting our D long, our GC track, our distance, these are distance, our initial course there, our final course, which is initial and final course. So in getting our PA, so our lot V, long V, our P, our D, or is this when GC track crosses equator, this, and after crossing the equator. So once again, so we are done. So once again, I am Deck Cadet Gonzalez Tropel Jr. See you soon.